And of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. I am broadcasting from Amsterdam. It's right now Sunday night, OmniCamp Day 3. We've got OmniCamp Day 4 tomorrow. And then from there, we'll get back to being able to do longer videos and more of them. Traders, I give my OmniCampers 100% attention. You know how that works. But I wanted to put this video out for you just to show you what's going on. This video is coming at you on Sunday night for Trading Sunday, Monday. That's March 30th, 2026. Happy birthday, Mikey, my boy, my son. Happy birthday, kid. Love you to death. We're here in Amsterdam. His 25th birthday is going to toll on Monday. Unbelievable. Mikey, I promise I'll try to make it an event that you won't forget, kid. Nasdaq daily bar chart, risky, risky, risky. Everything that you trade is risky, including the Nasdaq, so pay attention. Nasdaq daily bar chart has a red omni telling us to sell the rallies. I've been showing you a bear flag for quite some time and that we broke the 200 ball moving average in each of my videos. We have now broken below that flag, below the average, and it just looks plain ugly to me. So selling rallies looks like the proper course of action, at least for half of trading on Monday. These markets are so volatile, anything's possible, but that's what we will do if we get the opportunity. Traders, if you've been following along, the Omnis had a fantastic month of March. I know Jan and Feb, we got off to a little rocky start. Metals got a little crazy for us, but the Omni has gone through the month of March. I can't say I remember a single losing day. I don't remember a single losing trade for the month of March. Go Omni, go. We belted out lots of trades, 20, 30 of them, at least 15, 16 were hit. All winners. Omni's back on track. Thank you, Omni. Thank you. When the figures are tallied for the month of March, I'll get them out to you guys. But you know, I wait for two separate entities to look at them separately, get together, make sure the figures are the same. Then I will broadcast the March figures to you. So for trading on the 30th, Monday, you sell the rallies in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. I think that's the ticket. These markets are volatile. Rallies could be tremendous, but sell the rallies if they come. I know we've got areas where we would certainly be getting short. Omni's been killing it. I'm sure Omni's going to pull another one off for us on Monday. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. I love the fact that you guys are here watching me do these videos all the way from Amsterdam. I promise I'll be home soon enough, but I will always keep you informed on what's going on. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, what am I going to say, kids? Do you know? Stop sorting. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thank you for tuning in. I hope this video helps keep you in focus on what should happen on Monday. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.